How to reset keyboard settings on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on general management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down and then tap on reset to default settings. At the top here, tap on Reset Keyboard Settings. And from the pop-up, tap on Reset. And that's it. We have now reset keyboard settings back to the default. So all the settings in here should now be switched back to the default. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.